Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial. I'll be showing you guys step by step how I created this soft glam look using products from my previous Sephora haul. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. I'm going to start by applying my primer, and I will be using the Hydro Grip primer today, the Milk Hydro Grip primer. I did pick this up during the Sephora sales, which is currently still going on. So I'm just going to apply all over my face. I did not get any foundation from the Sephora sales, but I do have very affordable foundations, and I'll be using these two shades just because this one is a little bit lighter and this one is too dark, so I'm going to mix them together. I have here with me NYX foundation and the Fit Me foundation. Like I said, very affordable. I have the NYX foundation in Mocha and the tinted Fit Me by Maybelline tinted moisturizer, and this is what color is this? Well, if I'm able to figure out the color, I'm gonna put down on the screen, but this is the two foundation I'll be using today. So I'm gonna shake this and then put few pumps at the back of my hand. This foundation, this is like, I forgot, this foundation is crazy. And then few, maybe one drop, because this is like very dark, so just one drop of that, and then I'm gonna mix this and apply on my face. I'm gonna dot this. You can either do your eyebrows first before your foundation, or you can do your foundation before your brows. It doesn't really matter. I do both. Today I just decided to do my foundation before my brows, so I'm just gonna go ahead with my damp beauty blender and then blend this all over my face. And don't forget your neck. You want to make sure you're going down to your neck. As you can see, I have applied the foundation completely over my face. So this is not a full coverage foundation. It is like a medium to full coverage, which means you can go ahead and build another, put another layer to make it full coverage. But because I'm shooting it is like an everyday look, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I'll be using the e.l.f. liquid blush today, so I'm gonna apply that on my cheek. This is a very pigmented blush. You want to be careful with the amount you're applying. And then I'll go in with my damp beauty blender to blend this out. And don't worry, we're going to highlight and contour, so this is not exactly the color you'll be seeing at the end, so don't worry. But as you can see, this is very pigmented. I love this blush. It's a very affordable blush that you can get from any drugstore. So my phone stopped recording and I didn't realize. So the only thing I did was I went in and finished blending in my blush. I'm gonna go in with a concealer, and this is the one I'm using. I'm using the NYX concealer, and this is in the color, just one sec, Cappuccino, and this is in the color Cappuccino. I'm gonna use this to highlight my face. So once you're done blending your eyes, it should look something like this. You want to make sure that you blend properly, blend till your hand hurts. And then I'm gonna go in and blend my nose. Well, this has been sitting here for a long time because my camera went off again. Well, I'm using my phone, so my phone went off. So this is gonna take a longer time to blend. Now that that's blended out, I'm going to use the other side of the foundation, the side I use in applying my foundation, to blend the edges between the highlighter and the foundation. So I'm going to blend the edges to make sure that everything is smooth. I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty setting powder to set all over my highlighted areas. I'm going to use this right here, and this is the Huda Beauty powder, setting powder in cinnamon bun. So I'm going to use it to highlight my face. Make sure not to carry too much powder. And then I'm going to put down and when you get to your under eyes, before you set it, make sure to always go back with your sponge and blend again to avoid any creasing under the eyes. So we're going to blend that again to make sure and look up. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with my powder. Don't forget to dab. And then I'm just gonna use this to bake on the, sorry, not bake, set under my eyes. I'll be using the Sephora Colourful blush in the shade Fascinated to set my blush. This is also a very pigmented blush, so you want to make sure that you're careful with the amount you're carrying with your brush. I'm gonna go in now to set the rest of my face with my Makeup Forever Pro Finish multi-use powder foundation, and this is what it looks like. I use this every single time I do my makeup, so I'm just gonna go in with a brush and then tap and just the rest of my face. I'm gonna use this on my brows because my brows really get oily, and since we will soon be drawing them, I'm gonna make sure that I have that on my brows to make it less oily. So now that I'm done with my face powder, I'm just gonna bronze my face a little bit to bring in a little bit of that brown look. To bronze my face today, I will use the same brush I used with my powder, and I'll be using the Sephora microsmooth multitasking baked face powder in the color 80 Sienna. I'm gonna use this to like bronze all over my face. So I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place. I don't know if you guys can see this. Sorry about the light, keeps going in and out. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I think I'll be using my fingertip to apply that on my eyelids. Okay, my hand is just taking it all over the place. I'm going to use a brush. So this is another regular flat brush. I'm going to use that. Oh yeah, this is way perfect. So I'm going to go in. Well, you don't have to do this step if you don't want to for like a regular look, everyday look, but for some reason I wanted a little shimmer. And because I do have hooded eyes, I'm just gonna go like a little bit. If you can see, I go a little bit above my eye crease to make sure that this color shows when my eyes are closed. And this is what we have. I like it. And I'm going in with my black eyeliner, black lace from Sephora. I'm just gonna go in with this, my waterline, and draw a little bit of wing. It's time for mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I am obsessed about this look. The eyes, the lips, every single thing. I will list in the description down below all the makeup I used in this video, so make sure to check that out. Please do not forget to support me by subscribing to my channel. I'm putting in the work and the goal is to reach 1000 subscribers. So please make sure that you're subscribed, like, comment. Until next time, bye my loves.